Hello, I'm Stuart from the Sebo shop at Manchester Vax. Today I'm just going to show you this little tool that you will find on our website. You won't find it on Sebo's website, you won't find it anywhere else. This is a Dyson tool, a tool that was made by Dyson, designed for Dysons. They call it the up top tool. What it is basically, it's a little soft dusting brush and it has two multi-directional joints on it, so it can be manipulated in any direction. Now, despite the fact it's made by Dyson, ordinarily it wouldn't fit your Sebo, but we make a set of Dyson adapters that allows all Dyson tools to fit Sebos. So we supply this with our adapter, and that allows this tool to fit any Sebo. So I've got a vintage X1 with me here, which I'm just going to show you. So for example, you can use it at any angle, light fittings, absolutely anything that's above, picture rails, anything that's high up in the home, and you can manipulate it to any angle. It will also go on any of your hoses. Similarly, extension hoses, the onboard hose, it'll fit the Felix, it'll fit the BS commercials, it'll fit the Evolutions, it'll fit every Sebo you see here, except the cordless, because that has no hose. But every other Sebo you see here, including cylinders, this will fit. So it's a nice, versatile little tool, a really well made tool, because Dyson does make good tools. Many people think the vacuums are a bit so-so nowadays, but the tools are really good. So it's a cracking little thing, and it's under 10 quid. Thanks for watching.